Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send live snap without media upload. So let's get started. So first thing that you need to do is simply head over to the Snapchat's camera, and then you're going to simply hold the capture button for half a second. Once done, what you need to do is you'll be able to see the import button. So you're going to simply click on any import button over here. Let's say I'm going to click on the sticker over here. And then you can simply upload any image from your gallery. So I have uploaded this image. You can simply drag and make this image bigger. And once you do so, what you can do is simply send it to anyone you want. And once they receive them, they will not be able to see the media upload option. So that is basically how you can send live snap without media upload. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.